What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Guys, so this is the last stock that I'm breaking down for today. As you can clearly tell that I am sick and my throat's pretty messed up. So today's ticker symbol, or the last ticker symbol that I'm breaking down, is ZOM, or ZOM. I have my lines and graphs already set for you guys. We're starting from the higher time frame, that being the daily time frame. This allows us to apply multiple time frame analysis and also to help us find our resistance and support lines, and helps us find entries and a bunch of other great things. So this is why we always start from a higher time frame. So if we look where we're at right now, you guys, we're up almost 8%. We are above this trend line. That is a good sign. The only problem that I see is that we are under this major support line. So once we're under a support, it's going to work as resistance, and I can test this for you guys. So up here was our resistance line. You can see that this candlestick was working as resistance. Ultimately, once we broke above that, it worked as a floor and bounced off of this level, bounced off this level, bounced off this level. Once we broke below, we tried to create a breakout again, ultimately failed and pulled back down to our major support line. We look left, like Beyonce says, we can see the candlesticks bouncing off of this level as well. So these are heavily tested areas. So if you look to where we're at, we broke below this. I made a video about this yesterday on how we should wait until if we can create a breakout above this resistance line, or even if we do pull back into this area, to keep your eyes open for this. So let me zoom in. We can see that we broke below that, are now pulling back up into this resistance area. Yes, we are above the trend line. Yes, we are oversold on the RSI, and it's trying to show a correction. But you have to keep in mind, these levels are very strong. There's a reason why we test these levels. So the smarter and safer option would be to wait for us to create a breakout above this resistance line, and for for us to come up and come back down and test this support level. So that would be further confirmation that buyers are stepping up and that we're trying to create a break of this downtrend that we are currently in. So getting in right now would be just pure FOMO, you guys. The fear of missing out will hurt your account. So always wait for the best entry possible, and this is why we apply technical analysis to put us at advantage at the market. So like I said, be patient, wait for us to create a breakout above this level for us to come back down at the 94-cent area. Have your stop loss maybe below these candlesticks over here, depending on how much room you want to give it, because a lot of times if we do have a candlestick wick that breaks below that, you'd be tagged out and then it ultimately go higher. I've done that before, having my stop loss too close to the support line. So I mean, honestly, you have two options. You can put your stop loss maybe in the 79-cent area, or you can put it below the 70-cent area, below this last candlestick over here, if we do come up and bounce off of this level. And then your first target would be back up at the previous minor resistance, and that be at the $1.12. So that's a good trade right there if you're swing trading. Now, if you're day trading or scalp trading, these targets are going to be different, and your stop loss may be a little bit different because you're going to be breaking down to a smaller interval, which is perfectly fine. You're just going to have to apply a little bit of analysis on your end. And then if you're a core trader or a swing trader, like I said, your target would still be the dollar area, and then your second target would be back up here at the highest previous resistance at the $1.80 area. So I hope this helps you guys. Like I said, just be patient. There's always opportunities in the market every single day, so just don't have FOMO. The thing is, if you guys enjoyed these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. I create this content every single day, every single morning for you guys, so it really means a lot when you guys hit that like and subscribe button for me. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.